Hi, writers. Today is a special day. We are going to celebrate you. You guys are the authors of these books, and now it's time to share your book with somebody. Okay? When we are sharing our books, make sure that we are speaking loud enough so they can hear, and make sure that we read exactly what's on our pages. Okay? So I'm going to show you how I read my book. A cow has 4 legs and 1 tail. Oh, here's a cow, and he's saying moo. A cow eats grass and drinks milk. This looks like grass. It has a label grass, so I know that's grass. Here's the cow. There's the milk that it drinks. A cow sleeps on the ground. That cow looks like he's very sleepy, so he laid down to take a nap. That was my book, all about cows. I know a lot about cows, so I decided to write about that. Alright, now comes the time where your parent or your older sibling or someone at your house has a list of questions that they're going to ask you after you have read your All About book. Okay? The first question is, what is something you wanted me to learn from the book? Well, I know a lot about cows, and I wanted to teach someone else about cows. They had 4 legs and 1 tail, they eat grass and drink milk, and they even sleep. Why did you choose this topic to write about? Well, in our class, we have adopted a pet cow. Her name is Lily, and she lives on a dairy farm. She was born back in September, and I already knew a lot about cows, but when we started to talk about Lily, I got excited and wanted to write my own book. Question number 3. What did you like about writing this book? What was your favorite part? I really liked adding the details to my pictures. I liked adding the labels. I didn't get to add color this time, but I did get to add some details. Look, even there's a milk bottle and some grass. And you can see the tail sticking up. Okay. So I did get to add some detail to my book, and that was my favorite part. Now it's your turn. I want you to take out your writing and take out these questions, hand them to your parent or an older brother or sister, and let them listen to you as you read your book. Then, when you're done, they will ask you the same questions. After you have answered those questions, I want you to record your answers, okay? So record your answers to the questions that were asked. Happy reading!